Hello, viewers. Today, I am in the Doon Valley Public School, where I am going to give my presentation to my students. All the students are ready to ask me some questions. Am I right? I have got two mics. One I will use for myself, and second you can take. And when you ask a question, keep the mic closer to your mouth. Is that clear? So you can put up your question now. A good question for me. No, I don't smoke. Uh,
Do you completed your task?
do you complete it or do you complete your task?
Do you complete?
Yes, I complete my task. My task currently is to teach you spoken English, and I am coming from Gango, Delhi, and teaching you. Yeah, I'm coming. I complete my task.
Do you earn money?
Yes, definitely, I earn money, and earning money makes my goal easy to achieve, and definitely provides me comfort of my life. For example, I want to study further, then I need money. Money is very important in daily life.
Does your mother passed away?
Yes, my mother has passed away 5 or 6 ago. 6 years ago, she went for her journey and she passed away there. Do you know the meaning of Hajj? Muslim go in Saudi Arabia to perform this journey. This is called Hajj. Students, yes.
Sir, why do you like to speak English?
Oh, this is a question. This is a question. Very great question. Why do I like to speak English? I like to speak English because of two or three reasons. First, I understand English easily, and this is my profession as well. I have been teaching English my students for 10 years. So I have to communicate in English with my students, and English is an international language that helps you to reach globally. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Any other question do you have?
Do you get nervous?
No, I don't know. Normally, as I have told you, I have been teaching English or giving presentation for 10 years. So that is a huge experience. I don't easily don't get nervous.
Yes, sir.
Do you watering plant?
Yes, I water the plants sometimes because it is a great way to take care of nature, and it also reduce global warming.
Do you play cricket?
No, I don't play cricket because I don't know how to play cricket, and although I just watch cricket match and my favorite player is Rohit Sharma, however, he has taken retirement or he has retired from cricket right now. But he plays still ODI one day cricket.
Do you complete your task?
Definitely, I complete my task.
Do you cook food?
No, I do not cook food. My sister cooks food in my home.
Do you eat lunch?
Yes, I eat lunch, but I have not eaten lunch yet because I will eat lunch after taking your class.
Thank you.
You welcome.
Do you speak English?
Definitely, I speak English as I am speaking English with you. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Very good.
With whom speak English?
I speak English with my students, with my friends, and with you also, as I am speaking currently.
Why speak English?
I'm an English teacher. I have to speak English with my students.
Thank you.
That speaking English motivates my students. You welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You.
Why do you teach English, sir?
Why do I teach English? In my opinion, I understand English, I speak English, and I can teach English better than other subject. For example, if you ask me to write or teach Hindi, I cannot because I have not trained myself for that. I have trained myself to teach English. That's why
My next question is, what is a sign of a good workout?
a good workout. Definitely, you are seeing that currently on my face that I'm sweating out. When you work out properly, you start sweating out.
This is fantastic answer.
Thank you very
What
much.
is essential for achieving your objectives?
Objectives are very important in our life, Devanshi. Objectives can be goals, and to achieving our goals, we need to set the goals. What is our goal? And then plan for that. And start, and we need to just also set some small goals side by side that we can reach to the ladder of our. For example, if one want to become a doctor, to become a doctor, he has to complete his 12th class from bio side. Unless or until he cannot become a doctor. So this is just a small side task. And secondly, he should get passing marks at least. He should not fail. He should not be failed in any subjects, especially in subjects like physics, chemistry, and bio.
This is a fantastic answer.
Thank you very
Sir,
much.
can you tell me what is success and how to success in our life?
Uh, Different people have different meaning of success. For instance, it could be a success of a country, success of a person, or success of a child. For example, a child who does not know how to walk, for him walking is a success. For a student who cannot speak English, speaking English is a success for him. And different some people consider money, getting money a success. So different people have different perspectives about success. In my opinion, a person is success if he have a peaceful death. He lives in the world peace, with calm, and die with peace. He is said to be a peaceful, successful person. In my opinion, this is my opinion. Yes.
What is the difference between practice and presentation and hard work?
Presentation and hard work. I
How
want
do-
to answer this just by a card. Have you studied the story of a rabbit and a like crocodile? Tortoise. Although the tortoise is very slow, but he keep consistent and keep doing hard work. He keeps working and wins the race. On the other hand, the rabbit reach on a destination, half destination very quickly, runs fast, and then sleep.
This is a great answer. Thank you, sir, for your valuable
Let
time.
me finish now. Let me finish. I haven't finished. So you only win when you consistently practice, and this is just hard work of the tortoise. On the other hand, you have asked me presentation. Presentation means to represent yourself in front of audience, as I am doing, you are doing. We are representing both our knowledge that we have. You have questions, I'm giving you answers. So you are representing yourself, you are giving also a presentation as I am.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable time.
You welcome.
Have you decorate your room?
Yes, I have decorated my room according to my taste. On the left side of my room, there is a study table for me where I keep my books and study when I want to study. I have free time.
Do you learn from mistake?
Certainly, I learn from my mistake. This is a great way to learn. If you fear from your mistakes, actually I believe we should not fear from our mistakes. Everybody commits mistake. Do I? You also commit mistake. But we should not fear from our mistakes. We should keep learning and improving.
Do you pet animal?
No, I don't domesticate any animals. in my home because I don't have a farmhouse.
Do you do domestic chores?
Yes, I do some domestic chores like get up early in the morning. I prepare my breakfast and I also help in domestic, like I eat food myself.
Has your Tommy passed away?
I don't have a Tommy. He hasn't passed away.
Do you fly a kite?
No, I don't fly kite. Do you fly kite?
No. No.
You don't fly. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Be confident.
Do you don't?
Do you taunt? No, I don't taunt. I think this is an act of girls. Girls always taunt. Do you taunt?
No, I don't want.
You don't taunt. Okay.
Have you eaten lunch? Have you eaten lunch?
No, I have not eaten lunch. I will eat lunch after class.
Do you click photo?
Yes, I click my photos whenever I go any palace, a new palace. Then I click my photos.
Do you take a milk?
I take milks 2 times in a day, in the morning as well as at night.
Have you completed the task?
Yes, I have completed my task.
Are you short tempered?
No, I am not short tempered. What is the meaning of guys short tempered? To get angry soon. जल्दी गुस्सा करना. जल्दी गुस्सा करने वाले को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं short tempered. I am not short tempered.
Do you abuse?
No, I don't abuse. I'm a teacher. If I abuse, my students will also abuse. I don't abuse. Do you abuse?
No. Do you get hungry?
Yes, I get hungry, but I'm not getting hungry right now.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you sweep the floor?
No, I don't sweep the floor. My sister sweeps the floor and she does 2 or 3 times a day at my home.
Have you spread your clothes?
No, I have not spread my clothes. My sister does the same thing.
Have you prepared your file?
Yes, I have prepared my file for income tax.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you have watch? Have a watch?
No, right now I don't have a watch, but I had a watch like last month and I lost it.
Do you have black shoes?
Yes, I have black shoes. I have black formal shoes and I wear them with formal suit like a black pant and white shirt, and then I wear black shoes.
Do you speak English?
Definitely, I speak English.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have you spread your clothes?
Yes, I have spread my clothes.
Do you mow the grass?
Do you mop the?
Grass.
Okay, do you mow the grass? Do you mow the grass का मतलब होगा बच्चों घास काटना. घास काटने के लिए हम लोग कट का यूज नहीं कर सकते. No, I don't have a farmhouse or I don't have a garden where I mow the grass. I don't mow the grass.
Are you read newspaper?
Are you read newspaper or do you read newspaper?
Do you read newspaper?
No, I don't read newspaper. I read newspaper sometimes and I read it in English.
Thank you.
Has your grandfather passed away?
Yes, my grandparents have passed away, father as well as mother.
Are you learning the chapter?
No, I am not learning chapters. I am giving my presentation. Are you learning your English concepts?
Yes.
Are you getting confident?
Yes. Are you playing Ludo?
No, I am not playing Ludo. I am taking my class.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Why do you wear the cap?
Oh, why do I wear the? Actually, most of my students comment on me when I wear cap. You look smart, sir.
Are you click video?
Yes, I am clicking. I am shooting a video.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Do you have any other question?
No, sir.
Are you getting nervous?
No, I'm not getting nervous. Are you getting nervous?
No, I don't. Getting nervous.
Yes.
Are you eating lunch?
No, I'm not eating lunch.
Has your father passed away?
No, my father has not passed away. My father is live and fit also. He's 70 years old.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman and he does the business of scrap. Do you know the meaning of scrap?
Are you playing chess?
No, I'm not playing chess. I don't know how to play chess. I sometimes play Ludo in my mobile phone.
Does your friend run very fast?
Yes, my friend runs very fast. He is preparing for army and he runs quick fast.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Sir, can I sit?
Yes, have a seat. Confident.
Are you getting nervous?
No, I'm not getting nervous.
Have you completed your work?
Yes, I have completed my work.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you read newspaper?
No, I don't read newspaper.
Have you decorated your room?
Yes, I have decorated my room.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Are you playing cricket?
No, I'm not playing cricket. You're welcome.
Have you identified me?
Yes, I have identified you. What's your name, by the way?
Sir,
What is your name?
my name is Simon.
Sahim.
Simon.
Simon. Oh, Simon, you have an English name. Do you watch cricket?
No,
I don't watch cricket.
I don't watch cricket.
Yes.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I teach my students and so on.
Has your mother cooked food?
Yeah, my mother has passed away. She hasn't cooked food. My sister cooks food at home.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you listen to song?
Yes, it's definitely yes from my side. I listen to songs sometimes when I'm free and I just need to relax myself. Then I listen to music, and music is a great way to listen and entertain yourself.
Are you playing cricket?
No, not at all. I'm not playing cricket.
Are you get nervous?
Yeah, I get nervous sometimes when there are big audience.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have you cooked food?
No, I have not cooked the food. I don't know how to cook food.
Have you completed tasks?
Yep, I have completed my task. What about you? Have you completed your task?
No.
No? You should complete your
Do you
task.
play cricket?
Yeah, I play cricket sometimes.
Do you take tea?
ये है पानी तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
Do you take tea?
No, I don't take tea. I take milk, and I take milk 2 times in a day.
Can I sit?
Yes, please.
Do you show off?
Show off. I don't know. I think I don't show off. I'm a very down to earth person. Down to earth means simple. साधारण बिल्कुल सीधा साधा सा. But people think that I show off.
Do you ride a bike?
Yes, I ride a bike, and I don't. Although I don't drive a car because I haven't got a driving license for cars. I drink cold drinks sometimes when I am with my friends or I visit to home of my students or visit as a guest anywhere.
Do you eat fast food?
No, I don't eat fast food. I eat fast food occasionally, like I just eat fast food once or twice in a month. I normally don't eat fast food regularly or in weeks.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you steal?
I don't steal. I'm not a thief.
Do you fast food?
No, I don't eat fast food, Javed.
Thank you.
Zeba, you have not asked me even a single question. Please ask me some questions.
Do you in the books?
Yes. देखिए इडियम भी यूज करने लगे आप लोग. डू यू हिट द बुक्स मतलब क्या आप मेहनत से पढ़ाई करते हो. Yes, I hit the books when I have time. I study 4 or 5 hours continuously without taking a pause.
Do you earn money?
Definitely, I earn money.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Everybody give it a like to students. As you can see, they are just students of 6th, 7th and 8th standard. And I have not been teaching them for a long period of time, only 10 days. Am I right? Yes, sir. So what do you want to say the audience? Like, share and subscribe.